All right, hi everyone. Welcome to Intermediate Algebra. We are learning online. So this video specifically is going to just kind of walk you through the layout of our Schoology course, making sure you know where everything is and how to get to notes, assignments, and so on. So first of all, amongst your courses on your iPad, hopefully this will be easy to find. You'll see the Vikings logo for this class. Right now I'm in first hour. You'll find, of course, or you'll have in your iPad already your specific hour. But first of all, this green folder has some course introduction material. So you want to click into that right away. You'll see our syllabus is there. We'll go through that separately. You'll also see the big ideas e-textbook login directions. So what that is you'll be able to log into your textbook online or on your iPad, I should say, so you can access any assignments we have through there, or if any extra practice or reading you want to do about the material, you can have that textbook on your iPad. iPad setup is just a couple apps that should already be set up on your iPad, but if not, that should help you through that. I have this dot brain teaser in here as an assignment, mostly just to get us refreshed or learning, if you haven't already, how to open up as a PDF, bring the file over to Notability so you can write on it and edit it, and then submit it back to Schoology, because that's how all the assignments will be submitted. So that's just kind of a practice fun brain teaser thing to just practice kind of submitting an assignment like that. Math credits, that just kind of walks through the math sequence here at the high school. Intermediate algebra, geometry, and advanced algebra are required. And there's some other math classes as well that you can choose to take, so you can look through that. And then lastly, the student survey. I'd like you to take a couple minutes and fill that out, just a little bit about yourself, your learning environment, and so on, to help me get to know you guys a little better. So that's all in that course introduction materials. Then each week's going to be laid out like this. So I've done week 1 here, September 7th through the 11th, and then you'll see right in the week folder here in the heading, you'll see to do this week. So of course Monday, no school, Labor Day. Then Tuesday, you'll look through those introduction materials and look at the one-step equation video notes. Wednesday, there's an assignment on the one-step, and you'll post a Flipgrid video, which there's going to be a separate introduction video about Flipgrid if you haven't used it before or need to be refreshed on how that works. Thursday, two-step equation video notes, and then Friday, a short assignment with a mini quiz on one and two-step equations. So that will be how every week looks. So it's nice that you can kind of see the whole rundown of the week right there before clicking into it. Then once you do, you'll see each day broken up and what you need to do, or the materials in those days. But a couple other things that are within the week here, you're going to see online office hours. So if you click on that on your iPad, I'm trying to offer at least 1 hour of not face-to-face, but I guess online one-to-one math help through Google Hangouts. So you'll see this week, Thursday, 9 to 10 a.m. If you want to pop on the Google Hangout link here, also the codes here if the link maybe isn't working, but it should be. You can get some help from me. Maybe others will be there. You'll have similar questions. Anytime you want to do that, go ahead. Of course, you can always email me with questions as well. But that's just another way. If you want to really talk to me verbally, we can do it that way. One other thing to help with any questions you might have is this discussion board I created here called Homework Questions. A lot of times with our assignments, you might struggle with a certain problem. Others are definitely struggling with that then too. So if you post a question here, everyone in your class can see it, and then they can also see how I reply. So you might say, "Hey, Mr. Anderson, not sure how to do number 4. Could you help?" I would help, and everyone would see that. Hopefully that would help others as well. So just a couple resources there. Then again, like I said, each day you'll click into, so for example, Tuesday you had those one-step video notes to watch. There they are. I also have them in here as a PDF completed, meaning once I've written all over them. So the video notes is me talking through them, of course, and writing on them. Then completed, if your video doesn't work for some reason, or you just want to go back quickly and see without me talking what was written there, you can go to the completed. Or I do also have the blank notes there if you're one that would want to listen to my video notes while writing your own notes on a blank set of the notes. They're there for you as well. So kind of giving you some options as to how to get through those notes. So that's how each day will be laid out. Again, I won't go through each day, but Wednesday you'll see here that assignment is there, and then there's that Flipgrid tutorial video if you're unsure how to use that, and then your class code to get into Flipgrid will be there as well. So each day is nicely laid out for you. You can of course work ahead into the week, just making sure you're not missing anything in the days So don't skip around days, but you can go ahead and work ahead, Tuesday through Friday this week. Also, each week we'll have this dark gray folder, extra resources. That's just going to be some extra links if you want to learn a little bit more, not more, more of the same of what I've said, but from someone else, from online videos about the things we're doing that week. Sometimes it helps to hear from someone else, a little bit different perspective and how they teach it. There'll be some extra links there for you. So that's kind of how the weeks will be set up, with each thing you have to do within the specific days. Over here, you'll be aware of upcoming assignments. So like you see here, Thursday, your one-step assignment is due by midnight, and then next Monday, because that two-step isn't assigned to a Friday, it won't be due till the following Monday. But there's that assignment coming up as well. The only other thing then with your tabs, you don't see all these tabs I do over here as a teacher, but updates will be something you want to frequent as well, to check if I've said anything. So all I said here was, hi everyone, this is where I'm going to post updates. But be checking that in case there's anything pertaining to the class that I want to put there as an update for everyone to see. So I think that should do it for a little intro to the class, getting us started here in week 1. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at any time. I'll be more than happy to help. All right, have a good first week.